My dear students, today's class is on common word roots or root words and their meanings. Already in previous classes we have completed 50 root words and their meanings and their formation of new words also. I have explained you in detail. In this session, all of you students must listen to me carefully. In this session, I am going to teach, I will teach you 10 root words and their meanings and the derived the formation of words and number 51 to 60, 10 root words we are going to discuss in this session. In this session, be ready and listen carefully, my dear students. Next, these are all completed. You have to observe the screen. The root words start with how many root words we have been completed. Script is over and Jew and this and equally hyper and enter. Okay. Neo. This is the 51. This is the first one in this session, my dear students. This means neo means new, Neolithic. Neolithic. Neolithic means new stone age. Neolithic means new stone age. Neo, N-E-O, neo. Neo means, what is the root word, the base word? The meaning of the word is, neo means new or young. Neo means or new, young or fresh or recent or current. That is the meaning of neo. That means Neolithic. Lithic means, lith means stone. This is the also root word. Neolithic means new stone age. New stone age. The derived words from the prefix of neo. What are the words? Some more words I will explain you. Neo natal, N-A-T-A, neonatal. What is the meaning of the neonatal? Neonatal means relating to a newborn child. Relating to newborn child. Relating to newborn child. Okay, neonatal. And then, what is the next word? The word is neophyte. Neophyte. Neophyte means he is a new for any job. He is a beginner. He does not know how to behave, how to involve in a particular work. Neophyte. The word is neophyte. Neophyte. Neophyte means the meaning is a beginner or novice. This is also one of the important word. Novice. Neophyte means novice. Novice also as a beginner, as a learner. He has no experience. He is not a veteran. He is not an experienced person. That means novice and neophyte both are synonyms. And then one more word I will give you. Neo, with neo, neoclassical. The word is neoclassical. 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 Neoclassical means a revival of traditional or classical style, that is neoclassical. Classical style or traditional style. Neoclassical. Neologism. Neologism means, one more word, neologism. Neologism. Neologism means a newly invented word. It is belongs to our English language, root words. A new word, newly invented word, or a phrase. It is called neologism. Neologism means a newly invented word or a phrase. That is the meaning of the neo. And then we go to you move on the next word, non. That is the non. That word is non. Please here, non means not, non-conformist, and one who does not conform, non-conformist. Sorry, non-conformist. Non-conformist means one who does not conform, not decide, not taken any decision. One who does not conform, not decide, doubtful, ambiguous. That is the meaning of non-conformist. Non-conformist. We have to know here the non means it is a negative prefix. You change the positive word into a negative word. Non. That means non, not, and then this is the negative word. Through this prefix, we have to frame the antonyms. Antonyms. For example, fiction, non-fiction. Non-fiction. Fiction, non-fiction. Fiction means it is a imaginary, not a real. Non-fiction means real. That means non-fiction means non-fiction. Non-fiction. What is the meaning of non-fiction? What does it mean? What does it mean? A true story about facts or real events. It is entirely opposite fiction. What is the antonym of fiction? Non-fiction. That is the meaning of non-fiction. Non means not. It is a antonym. It is a opposite prefix. We are adding the word one or more letters at the beginning of the main word. Fiction, non-fiction. For example, flammable. Flammable means easily fired. Flammable. Not non-flammable. Non-flammable. One word is, another word is non-flammable. Non-flammable. Non-flammable means not easy to set on fire. It is not easy set on to fire. Non-flammable. Existent, non-existent. Existent, existence, and non-existence means a thing that has no existence. No existence. Non-existence. For example, one more word, non-active. Non-active. Active, very alert in the participation in any activity. Non-active means he is a non-active. The student is non-active. That means non-active means he which is not acting. Which is not acting intentionally or actively participate. He is not participating actively. That is non-active. For example, nonsense. Sense. Nonsense means someone or something that does not have sense. The person who has no sense, it is called nonsense. Nonsense. These are the derived words or formation of the prefixes. They become the opposites. And then we move on to the next word. We go to the pan. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. This is next word in this session. And what is the meaning of pan? Pan means all. Pantheon. 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 The formation of the prefix pantheon. What is the meaning of the pantheon? Pantheon means a temple dedicated to all gods. It is not pertained, it is not allotted, it is not regarding only one god. A temple dedicated to all gods. That is the pantheon. That is the meaning of the pantheon. That means here we observe the meaning of pan, the meaning of pan, the meaning of pan, all. We should understand the basic meaning of the root word non. Non means not. Pan. Pan means all. Pan means all. That means that word we should understand all, whole, everything, involving all members, all inclusive. It is the meaning of the pan. The meaning of the pan is we should understand Phoenicia. Phoenicia, for example, Phoenicia, NACE, Phoenicia. That is the meaning of the Phoenicia. Hypothetical pre-remedy for all illness and diseases. It is important word. Phoenicia. Panacea. One pronunciation. Panacea. Panacea means hypothetical. Panacea. Panacea means hypothetical a remedy for all illness, a remedy for all diseases. That is the panacea. And pantomime. 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 One word is another word, the formation of this one. Pantomime. Pantomime. What is the meaning of pantomime? Pantomime means a performance using gestures and movements without words. They are not using, he performed only gestures and movements. That is called pantomime. 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 M-I-M-E. Pantomime. And another word, panegyric. Panegyric. P-A-N-E-G-Y-R-I-C. Panegyric. What is the meaning of panegyric? Formally expressing praising. Panegyric means praising, expressing praising. We are know the COVID pandemic. We are also called pandemic. This is the current and the latest word in this situation, COVID-19 situation. Pandemic. Pandemic. Pandemic means pan. The root word pan. Pandemic means an epidemic cover a wide geographical area. Not only it is for one area, it is limited one area. Pandemic means an epidemic cover a wide geographical area, the entire area. Is spread, the disease spread the entire world, entire wide means very big, very large geographical area. For example, one more word I will explain you. Pan with the prefix or root word pandemonium. 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 What is the meaning of pandemonium? Pandemonium means a state of extreme confusion. A state of extreme confusion or disorder. That is the pandemonium. These are the words belongs to the starting with the prefix pan, that is the root word. You should understand. We should through the root words the student must gain more and more vocabulary. Not only belongs to only English language is not only for our subject. That this language is for useful in each and every subject, in biology, mathematics, and some physics, chemistry, and civics, history, economics. All the subjects are included. All the subjects of vocabulary we should know through the root words. That is more important. That's why this topic is useful not only language student. These root words and their meanings and for derived words are useful. Each and every student, whatever he is studying, either engineering or MBBS or law, MBA, each and every student, those students must watch or listen these root word classes. Very important to improve their vocabulary. And then next word, we should understand what is the word here. Neo, non, pan word. Okay, poly. Next word is poly. Poly means many, and polygonal. Polygonal having many sides. Is this a mathematical term? Our English is useful in mathematical term. Having many sides. Having many sides. Polygonal. Polygonal means, what is the meaning of polygonal? Having many sides. Having many sides. That is the meaning of the poly means many. Polytechnic. Polytechnic, some of the students after completion of 10th class, they joined Polytechnic. Polytechnic, many techniques. Polytechnics means many techniques. That means poly means many. You should understand that word. Polygon, we already discussed many sides. Poly means many or much. Many or much, a lot of. And here the mathematical terms, polymath, for example, polymath. What is the meaning of polymath? Polymath means person who knows many things. He is all-rounder. Yeah, he knows many subjects. A lot of knowledge regarding to all the subjects. That person has polymath. That person called polymath. Polymath, he has knowledge in different subjects. That person has polymath. That means polynomial, it is a mathematical term. Polynomial. Do you listen polynomial in mathematics class? Polynomial. Polynomial. P-O-L-Y-N-O, polynomial. Polynomial means a mathematical expression with many terms. This is a mathematical term, polynomial. And next word is polyhedron, a three-dimensional figure that has many faces and edges. Polyhedron. That is our English word is monosyllabic words. In syllable division, there are 4 kinds of syllables are there. 4 kinds. Monosyllabic words, disyllabic word, trisyllabic word. Next, last, polysyllabic words. Mono, single syllable word. Bat, monosyllabic words. Body, disyllabic word. Minimum, trisyllabic word. Advertisement, more than 1 syllable, 3 syllables, it is called polysyllabic word. Polysyllabic means containing many syllables. That word, which word containing many syllables. That is the polysyllabic word. Polysyllabic means more than three syllables in a word. That is the meaning of poly and many. And then move on to the next word without wasting our time. And then next word is post. Post means after, postgraduate. After completion of degree, we go to the PG, postgraduate. PG means postgraduate. Postgraduate means after graduating. One has completed MBA, BBA and the MBA, BA, MA, postgraduate. Post means after. You should understand, you should remember the base word post. Through this word, we should form so many words with the prefix of the post. That is the, you should remember, mainly you should remember the meaning of the base word or the root word. That is more important. Here the post means later, post date, subsequent, after. These are the meanings of the post. Post, what is the antonym of post? Pre. Pre means before. Post means after. We are already known for 10th class students. We are conducting the pre-public examinations before going to the public examinations. That means before, pre means. Post means after or behind, afterward. That is subsequent. That means, for example, post game, after the game, post season, after the season, postpone. We are frequently listening this word. Our examinations have been postponed. That means later in time. They may be held later in time. Post meridium, PM, AM, anti meridium, post meridium. Post meridium means afternoon. Post meridium means afternoon. Postmortem, the medical examination doing after the death, how is, what is the reason, what is the cause of his dying. That is the post-mortem. These are the more vocabulary to learn through the root word post. And then we move on to the next word, pre. Pre means before. This is opposite. Already I will explain you before. Precede. Precede means to go before. Precede means to go before. Precede. What is the meaning of precede? Precede, to go before. Preceding, opposite, following. Preceding means before, following means after. That is the meaning of the pre. Pre, we should remember the root word pre. Pre means earlier than or prior to, in advance, in advance, in advance. Earlier, early and in front of. Pre means early, in front of or before. For example, prelude. This is one of the important word in play in literature. Prelude. Prelude means a musical and dramatic introduction. Prelude. 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 Very important word in literature students, English literature students. What is the meaning of prelude? A musical or dramatic introduction. Introduction part, beginning, prelude. For example, precautions. Where all the public nowadays, at present, we are taking many precautions to avoid COVID-19. Wearing the mask, maintain the distance, and taking the personal hygienic. All these precautions. Precautions means a measure taken in advance toward of impending danger. We avoid the danger. That is the precautions. That is the meaning of the precautions. And then prefix. We already know prefix. The meaning of prefix. What is the meaning of prefix? Prefix. Fixing. Prefix means an affix is added in front of the word. Prefix. In front of the word. Prefix means in front of the word. For example, here one post meridian. Meridian is main word. We are adding the post. That is the prefix. That is the meaning of prefix. And then one more word I will tell you to clarify your doubts. Prerequisite. The word is prerequisite. Prerequisite. P-R-E, prerequisite. Prerequisite means, what is the meaning of prerequisite? Something that needed or obligatory in advance. Frequently we are listening in day-to-day life, the word is predict, 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 prediction. Prediction means what is going, foretelling. It has been asked many examinations, important word. Prediction, foretelling, F-O-R-E, F-O-U-R, we should not write. F-O-U-R, it is a numerical. Foretelling, fore means before. Foretelling, sorry, foretelling, T-E-L-L-I-G, foretelling. Foreteller, predictor, who is telling what is happen in future. He is got, that means we are in weather, we are forecasting, forecast. Here foretelling means before telling what is happening in our future. That is the predict. Predict means foretell, as predict the weather also. That is the word formations, words regarding to the prefix or root word pre. And move on to the next word. What is the next word? Pro. Next word is pro. Pro means for. The example word is prominent. Proponent. The word is proponent. We should call, utter the word a proponent. Proponent means supporter, a supporter. Proponent, pro means proceed. Proceed for, pro means for. For example, proceed, to go forward. Proceed means forward. A procession. Procession, one political leader campaigning on behalf of your party, his party, a group of people or followers going. That is a procession. 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 Procession means a group of individuals moving along in an orderly way, a rally, procession. Proclaim. Proclaim means proclaim, another word. Proclaim, Proclaim. Proclaim. Proclaim means to announce publicly. To announce publicly, that means proclaim means declare. Declare, that means declare. Proclaim means, for example, proficiency. Proficiency means the quality of having great competence or facility. Great competence, that is called proficiency. The quality of great competence, that is called proficiency. Proficiency is an important word. Proficiency is an important word. Proficiency. Proficiency. Proficiency means quality of having great competence. Promote, to move up in a position or a rank. Promote. Prolong, to make longer than usually or expected. This is one of the important words. Prolong. What is the meaning of prolong? Prolong means to make longer than usually or expected. That is the meaning of prolong. And then move on to the next word. What is the next word? We see on the screen, all of you. You should understand. Here pre before pro. Okay, proto, that is the word proto. What is the meaning of the proto? The meaning of the proto, what is the meaning of the proto? Proto means first, and prototype, first or original model, prototype. It is the example as given. And we should understand the prefix, the root word proto. Proto means first. What is the meaning of proto? Foremost, first, original, before, primary or primitive. These prefixes appear at the beginning of the word. The opposite, proto means first, opposite is ultimate, ultima, first, last, first, final, beginning, final. Those are the opposites. Ultima or ultimate, last or final. The derived words with a prefix of proto, the root word, for example, protocol. We are frequently listening this word, protocol. Protocol. When we are arranging the political meeting or any official meeting, we should follow the protocol. Some of the allegations also, all those years, some of the ministers also complained you should not follow the protocol, and MLAs also. It is frequently listening word in day-to-day life. What is the meaning of protocol? Protocol means customs or regulations or standards, etiquette, a code of conduct. It is a code of conduct for diplomatic relations, other specific situations. That is the definition of the protocol. It is a code of conduct, a standard etiquette, a regulating etiquette. It is a custom, it is a tradition. That is the meaning of protocol. Next word is proto-human. 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 What is the meaning of proto-human? Pertaining to the first human other than Homo sapiens. That is the proto-human. Proto means first, primitive man. Proto-human means pertaining to the first human other than Homo sapiens. Protoplasm. Protoplasm. Another word, protoplasm. Protoplasm. What is the meaning of protoplasm? The living semi-fluid contents of plant or animal cells. It is a biological term. The zoology. Protoplasm means the living semi-fluid contents of plant and animal cells. For example, one word is protolithic. Protolithic. What is the meaning of protolithic? P-R-O-T-O, lithic. L-I-T-H-I-C. Protolithic. Lithic means stone, relating to the first part of the stone age. That is the protolithic. These are the formation of the words from prefix proto, a root word. Proto means first. And then move on to the next word, pseudo. What is the meaning of pseudo? Pseudo means false. P is a silent letter in this word, pseudo. What is the meaning of this pseudo? Pseudo means pseudonym. One example as given. Pseudonym means false name, especially an author's pen name. Pseudo means false name, an author's pen name. That is pseudonym. This is the pseudonym. False name, especially an author's pen name. Here the pseudo means false. That means pseudo is pretended, lying, pretended, spurious, pretended or spurious. That is, pseudo means fake. We are seeing the fake notes, fake news. Some of the persons create fake news in society to make disturbance in society. They have been that type of habituate student, persons. That type of activity is not good. We never utter the fake news. Pseudo means false or lying or fake, pretended, spurious. That is the meaning of the pseudo. Sorry. What is the another words regarding to the pseudo? For example, pseudogyny. What is the meaning of pseudogyny? Do you know the meaning of the pseudogyny? Pseudogyny means the use of a feminine name by a male author. The male author has been using the feminine name, female name, woman name. They have used male author. This is pseudogyny. For example, pseudograph. What is the meaning of pseudograph? Pseudograph. Graph. What is the meaning of pseudograph? A false document. That is the meaning of pseudograph. And then next, another word is pseudologist. One of the person is the pseudologist. Logist. L-O-G-S-T. Who is a pseudologist? He is a pseudologist. He is always telling the pseudologistic news. He is not a genuine person. He is not a genuine person. He is a pseudologist. What is the meaning of pseudologist? The meaning of pseudologist is a liar. One who says lies. A liar. A liar is a pseudologist. That is the meaning of the pseudologist. What is the meaning of pseudopsia? This is a medical terminology. Pseudopsia means SIA. Pseudopsia means a false vision or optical illusion. Not real. A false vision. That is a pseudopsia. What is the meaning of pseudo-classic? Pertaining to be a classic. Pseudo-optics. One of the, in medical terminology, pseudo-optics. Optics. Do you know the meaning of the optical shop? In major cities and towns, we are seeing when we are going to on the streets, we have been seeing the boards, optical shops, optical spectacle shops, belongs to eye. Pseudo-optics. What is the meaning of the pseudo-optic? Pseudo-optics is the branch of a psychology which treats optical illusion. It is an optical illusion. It is belong to the psychology. Optical illusion, they are seeing false illusion. It is the branch of the psychology which treats with optical illusion. That is the meaning of the pseudo-optics. And then next word, it is the last word in this session. This is the last word. In every session we are discussing 10 words because it takes a long time. That's why I am selecting only 10 words instead of teaching about 20 words. Please understand, my dear students. We should not be able to describe each and every word in detail. We take more and words. It takes a lot of time. It is uncomfortable to listen. If you take the long period, our video, our class is in between as a limit of the half an hour, 25 minutes or 30 minutes, below the 35 minutes, not exceed 30 above. And then next word is re or read. That means back again. Rejuvenate. To make young. Rejuvenate, important word. Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate means to make young. To make young. Rejuvenate means to make young. To make young. Rejuvenate. Re means back. Back again. Retrospect. Looking back on things. A new, against, again, back. That is the meaning of rebirth, reselect, rebirth, reselect, redo, rethink. You should rethink about that issue. Recaptivate. Recaptivate. What is the meaning of recaptivate? Recaptivate. Recaptivate. What is the meaning of the recaptivate? The saying again to the head of what we are saying. We have to remember those things which have, after listening to this class, we think again about this class, that is called recapitulation. Recapitulation. Recaptivate. Redundant. Flow again, unnecessarily redundant. In English language, redundancy is there. Redundancy is one of the topic. I will teach you again. Redundant words. And rearrange. It is not properly arranged. Please rearrange these articles in this room. That is the rearrange. Re means again. Again back. Okay, my dear children. In this session I have completed 10 root words and their meanings and usage and formation of new words. Thank you everyone, and goodbye all of you. Tomorrow we will meet again. See you. Goodbye once again.